It's Katsucon!
This is the last day of Katsucon.
Katsucon!
And we are getting ready to leave. We are very sad and upset.
Happy Valentine's Day!
That too.
Happy Valentine's Day! Just want to see the scenery. Oh my gosh!
Gaylord Hotel at National Harbor.
Oh my gosh!
It is absolutely fantastic. It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
Fountain and some houses that are actually restaurants.
Places. And where did we go? We went to that bar place.
They have great chocolate cake.
Delicious.
Oh, wait, listen, the
It's
cat.
not a... I love cats. Oh, it's so sad. We
We're
must
so
leave.
sad.
So sad.
And we hope one day we will come up with the money to be able to stay here.
We'll come up with it next year, maybe.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Alright, we'll say goodbye, Allison.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sweet 16. We'll see you 17.